Today I am reviewing Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've been looking for a versatile, powerful, and space-saving kitchen appliance that can truly do it all, the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven combo is worth serious consideration. This isn't just your average air fryer. It's a full-fledged multi-cooker with a 26-quart capacity, sleek stainless steel design, and 24 preset cooking functions that make it incredibly convenient for both everyday meals and special occasions. Let's start with its design and build quality. The exterior is made of durable stainless steel, giving it a professional and elegant look that fits beautifully in any modern kitchen. The standout feature is the French door design, which opens with just one hand and makes it easy to access food without taking up much counter space. Inside, you get a spacious cooking chamber that can handle a 12-inch pizza, a whole rotisserie chicken, or even a tray of cookies. For families of 4 to 6, or for those who love entertaining, that size makes all the difference. Now, when it comes to performance, this oven is powered by 1700 watts and uses 360-degree hot air circulation. That means it delivers even cooking results with little to no oil, giving you that crispy, golden brown texture we all love in fried food, but in a healthier way. It's not just an air fryer, though. It's also a toaster, a dehydrator, a broiler, and a convection oven, all in one. With 24 pre-programmed settings, you can easily switch between functions like baking, roasting, slow cooking, toasting, reheating, and even dehydrating fruits and vegetables. The dual-speed fan ensures faster cooking times while maintaining food quality. The digital touchscreen controls are intuitive and precise, allowing you to set exact temperatures ranging from 75 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That wide range gives you flexibility for everything from low-heat dehydrating to high-heat broiling. The oven also features an automatic shutoff and a timer, which makes it safe and reliable for busy households. One of the things that makes this model stand out is the set of 7 included accessories. You get a crisper basket for air frying, a drip tray, a rotisserie spit with fetch tool, a bake pan, grill plate, and rack. These accessories make it truly versatile, whether you're cooking a rotisserie chicken for dinner, making pizza for game night, or air frying fries for the kids. In terms of capacity, this is where it really shines. At 26 quarts, it's one of the largest countertop oven air fryer combos available. You can cook an entire family meal in one go, which not only saves time, but also energy compared to using a conventional oven. Another small but very thoughtful feature is the interior light, which lets you monitor your food without opening the door and losing heat. Combined with the French doors, it feels like using a high-end professional oven right at home. Of course, no product is perfect. The unit is quite large, so it takes up a decent amount of counter space. It's also not dishwasher safe, so you'll need to hand wash the accessories. But considering the sheer range of cooking options and the build quality, these are minor trade-offs. Customer reviews are overwhelmingly positive, with thousands of users praising its reliability, versatility, and ease of use. With a 4.5-star rating and over 12,000 reviews, it's clear this is a trusted kitchen companion for many households. Overall, the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven combo is perfect for families, food lovers, and anyone who wants to simplify their cooking while still getting restaurant-quality results. It replaces multiple appliances in one, looks fantastic on the counter, and offers enough cooking power and capacity to handle almost anything you throw at it. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen and save time without sacrificing taste, this model is definitely worth it.